There he is. So what you working on today, dear?
Gotta tear that door apart and get ready to make the rails for this.
A hole.
Well, that goes down to our basement. That door was way too heavy for me anymore. It was okay 20 years ago when I made it.
So what he had done was he built a deck on top of the septic and our basement, but we had a real heavy door so no one would fall through, but there's no kids or anything, so
We're gonna put rails up on both sides
Yeah,
so that we can
so-
go down in the basement if we need to.
it's a little messy up here right now,
I
but
gotta vacuum everything, but that's after I get.
he's going to take that door apart, make rails.
Yeah.
We were going to do a different kind of rail, but there was no way to fasten it, so we said, well, let's just do that. So anyway, it's kind of dirty and yucky right now, but
Well,
we
it's
never
just-
ever hardly go down there. It's more like a root cellar.
It's dust and that from the, or not dust, but the
The vent from the dryer.
dryer vent. It's all.
But we'll just make this part of our housekeeping because once it's open, it's probably easy to go down there and dust.
All right, yeah, let me through so I can get to the. I gotta get a radio plugged in.
Okay, guys, so there you go, just a shorty. Remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God
Bye-bye.
bless.